Hi aspirants, how is the Josh? Welcome to Learn with Funny channel. New notification was released that is General Insurance Corporation of India is looking to fill 44 officer positions in their organization. So people who are completed their graduation or post graduation are eligible to apply. So let's get into details. Here first and foremost thing are the important dates. The first one is the online registration commences from 11th March 2021. Last date is 29th March. So there will be only 17 to 18 days for the registration process. The tentative date of the online examination is also given, that is 9th May 2021, which will be held on afternoon shift. So be prepared. So in mind of this, be prepared well. And the next one is vacancy breakout. Here, different disciplines, separate vacancies were there. So total overall is 44 vacancies. Under finance stream, 15 vacancies were there. So minimum educational qualifications are graduation in any discipline with minimum 60% marks for general and OBC candidates and 55% for SC/ST candidates. And candidates should have passed the final examination of Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. And candidates should also provide their membership number, and the same will be verified with the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. So this is for the finance or chartered accountants. And the next one is general category, where any degree candidate can any degree candidate are eligible to apply in this category. That is general ones. Under this, only 15 vacancies were there. So here, graduation in any discipline with minimum 60% marks for general and OBC candidates. And the next one is legal stream. That is under this, only 4 vacancies were there, and the bachelor's degree in law is required for this. And the next is insurance. Under this, 10 vacancies were there. Here also, graduation in any discipline. And candidate should possess post graduation degree or diploma in general insurance or risk management or life insurance. So in this way, overall 44 vacancies to be filled in the this General Insurance Corporation of India. Only you can apply for only one post. Multiple applications are rejected. Here they are given a note. The next one is reservation of vacancies were also given for general. 18 vacancies were there. SC/ST, SC 5 vacancies, ST 4 vacancies, OBC 14 vacancies, EWS only 3 vacancies were there. So all sums up to 44 vacancies. And the minimum age is 21 years and the maximum age is 30 years. Next, the emoluments are also given here. That is the basic pay, that is 32,795 per month. And you will get a total emoluments about 65,000 per month plus other benefits, which are newspaper allowance, travel allowance, medical benefits, etc. etc. And the next one is service conditions. Initial postings will be in its corporate office, that is Mumbai only. The time to time, you will get transferred to all the other cities in India. Selection procedure. This is the most important one. Under this three type, that is first one is written test, and the next is group discussion. The next one is interview. The scheme for the selection procedure also given, like in this way. Yeah. Scheme for online written examination. This is for specialists, that is finance or legal, insurance category posts. Part A will be their technical or professional knowledge, and the part B is same as for general candidates. That is test for reasoning, English language, general awareness, test of numerical ability, and computer literacy. The part C is descriptive. You should write a essay, précis, and English comprehension. Overall, the maximum marks is 150 marks. The number of questions will be 123. Here comes to for general stream. Part A, that is higher order reasoning ability or critical thinking. So what is it exactly means? Here we all know that the course of actions and the passage and inferences and which which statement is going to strengthen the argument, which statement is going to weaken that argument. Those type of questions all comes under this higher order reasoning ability or critical thinking. So there will be sorry, maximum marks of 40 marks and 40 questions will be given under this category. Part B is for reasoning, 20 marks and 20 number of questions also 20. And the test of English language is also 25, 25. Test of general awareness, that is 20 marks, 20 questions will be given. And test of numerical ability and computer literacy, 15 marks and 15 questions. It is also same. Part C, descriptive will be there. It will be essay, essay and comprehension of 10 marks each. So 30 marks. And the minimum qualifying marks were also given. You must get this minimum qualifying marks to consider you for the final cutoffs, the prelims in the written test. That is 60% for general and OBC and 50% for SC ST. The overall selection process also, that is online test, GD and interview, 60% for general and OBC and 50% for SC ST. You have a negative marking also, 1/4 mark of assigned to that question. Here he has given that the minimum qualifying marks would be applicable on the total score of online examination. And the next one is the total timing, overall timing is 150 minutes and 30 minutes for part A objective, 60 minutes for part B objective and 60 minutes for part C descriptive. So in this way he segregated the overall timing. And the next is candidates will be shortlisted for group discussion and interview on the basis of overall marks scored in objective and descriptive section taken together. That is, there will not be any sectional cutoffs for individual sections. That is, there will be no sectional cutoff for part A or part B or part C. The marks will be considered on an overall basis. So this is the one important one. So that's all about it. So be prepared and all the best. Please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.